No, so it's already been a year that we had our lifetime tier 1 access in house 2020. Now we're going to renew our account, and let's go to this account, and you can see it here that we had 223 hours over 750. So we haven't actually consumed everything, but it's already a year. We have to delete this account. Now we're going to our EC2 first, and then let's go to instance. We have to check if there are things that are running, volumes, elastic IP. So I think it's all clear, and a bunch of security. Now we're going back to our billing. We're going to check what we have been using. Okay, let's check the S3 and the RDS. Okay, so we have 1 dB here, and we're going to delete this as well. Action delete E. Now that's deleted. Let's try and refresh. Okay, it's now starting to delete, and let's check our S3. We're gonna have to clean everything up. Oh, we also have this. Okay, let's try to delete this as well. Delete bucket. Okay, we need to delete all of this. Permanent delete. And let's go back as an S3 and delete this. Delete bucket. Now that's all clear. What else did we use? I think that's all. Now we're going to my account. We're going down here, and I understand, check, I understand this. Close account, and there you go, your account is now clear. It's not going to bill you in the after your free tier. So we're going to sign out, and then we're gonna have to do all over again. We have to prepare two things. First is the mobile number and a new email account, and that's it. Let's start signing in, creating an account. Let's create our new Amazon account. This will be our second year, and let's have this email. I have newly created this, and we have this password. His name is Tobias Paulson. Save that. Never. This is for personal project. Tobias Paulson, and it's PH address. June 1, 2024. Somewhere. Unit for phone. I also bought a new phone number. That will be 0939 803.5360. Now let's continue on step 2. Now we're going to input our credit card. Alright, so I've already filled up with my debit card, and this debit card is legit. It has money in it. It has 100 peso. So let's try to verify and continue. Don't save. And now we're going to verify our account. The mobile number is the same. That was 0939 803 5360 ZD6265. Now we're going to be verifying the code. Let's continue, and let's try to use the basic support free. Complete sign up. Go to the Amazon console, and let's try to log in this email 3dx78m. Submit, and the password is this. Cancel. Alright, so we are inside. Let's check the billing. Okay, let's try to create an EC2 instance. Let's create our new EC2 instance. I'm going to check for free tier and Ubuntu 20. Select. Let's go to configure security groups. Add this. Add HTTP, HTTPS, and HTTP. I think that's it. Let's review and launch. And we're going to choose an existing key pair. Acknowledge, launch instance, view instance, and there you go.